In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a filter in Notion. Filters in Notion are a great way to narrow down what you see in a database, but sometimes you no longer need a filter, or it's hiding information you actually want to see. In those cases, deleting the filter completely is the best option. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you're working with. This could be a table, a board, a list, a calendar, or any other database view. Make sure you're on the specific view where the filter you want to delete is applied. If the filter is active, you'll usually notice that some items are missing or that the database is showing only certain entries. Now, look toward the top of your database view. You should see an area where filters are listed, often labeled as filter, or shown as filter chips or tags. Click on the filters above your database. This will open a panel or drop-down that shows you all the filters that are currently applied to that view. Take a moment to confirm which filter you actually want to remove, especially if there are multiple filters stacked together. Once you've found the filter you want to delete, look for the three dots next to that filter. The three dots usually indicate a More Options menu. Click on the three dots. This will open a small menu specific to that filter, giving you additional actions you can take. From this menu, choose the option that says Delete Filter. Go ahead and click on Delete Filter. As soon as you do this, Notion will remove that filter from the current view. You should see your database update right away, often showing more items than before, because the filter is no longer restricting what appears. If you don't see a change, double check that you deleted the correct filter and that there aren't other filters still applied. You can repeat the same process for any additional filters you want to remove. Click on the filters above, open the three-dot menu next to the filter, and select Delete Filter. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly clean up your Notion views and make sure you're seeing exactly the information you need.